Hey guys, Chelsea from Attention to Details, and we are back with our Undrdog Pro coating. We're doing our 30-day checkup. It has actually been 30 days since this vehicle was last washed, and we've had a lot of rain. You can see our back end has a lot of road dirt splatter, etc. The customer has been very anxious for this to be washed, and they are waiting actually for the proper soaps and toppers to protect this vehicle long term. But we're going to go ahead and do that for them, make sure everything is working properly, and let's go ahead and see how well this coating looks. So right off the bat, you can see we do have some clogging of our lower bottom parts of our panels. That's just from road film. It hasn't had a good contact wash. Once we do our contact wash, that should be completely removed. You can see our upper portions, our vertical panels, look absolutely fantastic. This is actually some of the most intense beading that I've seen in a coating in a long time, especially one that's at this price point and so easy to apply for a single layer. So very impressive. I'm loving what I'm seeing so far. And how does Pro look on glass? Well, as you can see, it's pretty fantastic. I was actually really impressed to see how well it beads, so you can imagine what it would do while you're driving. So we went ahead and foamed it with our Chemical Guys HoneyDew foaming soap. And honestly, you can use any sort of pH neutral or ceramic friendly soap to maintain your Undrdog coatings. It doesn't have to be Undrdog soap, but you are going to get fantastic performance and durability when you use things that are within the same chemical family. But I actually have Ethos ceramic shampoo in my bucket, and we had the HoneyDew soap, so you can see all in all, still fantastic options when it comes to maintaining your coating. Just make sure it is a pH-friendly soap. After doing our contact wash, we're going to go ahead and do a thorough rinse, and you can see we've got fantastic, intense beading as well as shading properties going on. And that's actually one of my favorite things about the Undrdog Pro coating, is that based on the water source that you use, you can have fantastic sheeting capabilities with this coating. But along that, you're also going to have phenomenal gloss and shine. You can actually see almost through the water as it's coming off the panel. Very impressed by the hydrophobics that we're seeing. Now that we've done our contact wash, all of that road film, all of that clogging is removed, and all of our hydrophobics are just absolutely stunning. I'm absolutely just having fun at this point. I know I'm wasting a lot of water, but I just can't help myself. It's too fun. So you guys can enjoy my excess water use as I rinse this vehicle off and enjoy some of the beading capabilities. So now we're going to go ahead and dry our vehicle, and we're actually going to use the McKee's 37 Hurricane car dryer. It's 350 miles per hour of heated, filtered air. It's actually completely drying the panel to the point where I have no water left on the panel whatsoever once I'm done. You can see with our hydrophobics just how well you can blow all of that water right off the panel with just very little effort. Very impressed. You can imagine if you were driving through a rainstorm or after washing your vehicle, you're going to have a practically dry vehicle once you're done. I'm going to actually put the link for this as well as all of the products that I use in this video for those of you that maybe you're just looking for something that you can use, just everyday products that you pick up either at Walmart or an Advanced Auto. I'll put the links for those down below, even if you can pick them up off of Amazon, for those of you that maybe you want to try them out for yourselves. So a popular request that I get on my channel is, what does it look like with topper? So we're actually going to apply Extreme Solutions topper as our drying aid and also our coating topper. Now you can use Undrdog Quick Detail like I did in the Undrdog Light video that I just recently uploaded. But for those of you that maybe you're a fan of Extreme Solutions or you're looking for something a little bit more on the budget-friendly side, Extreme Solutions topper is extremely affordable, very easy to apply. It's going to take the slickness on pretty much any protection that you have on your vehicle up a notch, and it just gives remarkable gloss and shine. I just use one spray per panel. You can use it on glass, trim, wheels, painted surfaces, and it's just going to give you a fantastic end result. It's absolutely one of my favorite drying aids to use for even our personal vehicles. So I will put the link for all of the products that I use down below for those of you that want to try them out for yourselves. Alright guys, here's our finished look after our first maintenance wash on our Undrdog Pro coating. I hope you guys were able to enjoy this in-depth look at some of the characteristics of Undrdog Pro, some products that I might recommend that you could use to maintain the coating. Honestly, you can use any product as long as it's pH neutral or ceramic friendly soap and any sort of ceramic friendly topper. But you can see using the products that I had mentioned within this video, you can see we've got fantastic end results. The customer is extremely happy with this coating. Absolutely in love with it, actually. She's recommending it to all of her coworkers and family and friends. So thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions about the product, about the maintenance products that I use, let me know in the comment section down below. Make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for future videos, but we'll see you guys in the next video. Have a great day.